Hey guys, I'm here with Gilad and Rachel. We're at the Smart Mobility Summit here in Tel Aviv. It's one of the biggest smart mobility events of the year. We're actually getting to talk to really interesting entrepreneurs, speakers, and members from the Israeli ecosystem. We're presenting to them the DAV protocol and see how we can create interesting solutions with them. And that's it. Have a great day.
I had a great call with a major European municipality regarding specifically goods movement in the city.
Our general idea was to create some sort of upgradability path for our smart contracts in case that there will be bugs or vulnerabilities.
DIDs are a new specification from the W3C used to give control over identities back to people.
כשמישהו קונה טיקט בעיר לאוטובוס, חברת הרכבות יודעת.
לא רק חברת הרכבות, גם המונית אמורה להשתמש באותו אפליקציה, והאוטובוס.
החברות המשתתפות, בשיחה עם רייצ'ל, הוא אמר, וואלה, בזה אנחנו מסודרים, אבל כשאתה רוצה לשלוח חבילה ממקום, אין לנו משהו דומה לזה.
For the past few weeks, even a couple of months now, we've been reaching out to municipalities and smart cities initiatives around the world. Last week specifically, I had a great call with a major European municipality. They discussed with us some of their pain points regarding public transportation and specifically goods movement in the city.
מה אנחנו כאילו מציעים להם בעצם? אנחנו מציעים להם רב-קו שמשלם בדבר אחד, כאילו באמצעי אחד, על משלוחים, על גודס.
שזה כאילו דבר...
שזה פורץ דרך ממש, זה כאילו די מורכב.
Our general idea was to create some sort of upgradability path for our smart contracts, and we looked on a few different ways of implementing, and we considered the proxy approach with eternal storage and the registry approach, and we found that all these ways they introduce a lot of complexity and also potential vulnerabilities of the anonymous functions that will be called dynamically through the proxy with the contracts. Instead, we will create a static proxy with a static registry with predefined interface and predefined data structure. When we need to upgrade, the implementation can be upgraded as long as it fits the same interface. That's it.
So I'm following up on a few conversations I've had at the Automotive Working Group. I'm actually investigating Decentralized Identifiers, or DIDs. DIDs are a new specification used to give control over identities back to people. So for example, you can make a verifiable claim that states, hey, I'm over 21, I'm over 18, whatever is needed, to an online store, and that store would just have access to that verifiable claim and let you buy alcohol, for example. So in the old world, you would need to give them access to something like your identity details, your birth date, all sorts of things. And they just need to know you're over 21 or 18. And this lets you do just that without exposing too much information. So this is actually very similar to the identity system we've developed at DAV. So a car can make a claim, prove its own identity. You can just have access to its history, maybe not everything it did, but the history of what it did and how well it did it. And it's very similar